Welcome to the driveway cleaning section of our website. My name is Tim Moore, and I'm going to take you through a typical driveway clean. This is a section of a driveway I'm doing today, and I'm going to show you what I do. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put down a pre-treatment. The pre-treatment is going to start killing the slick mold and mildew and nastiness. Then I'm going to surface scrub it after I edge, and then I'm going to rinse it. Then you're going to see me post-treat. I do this on almost all our concrete, depending on what is needed. The pressure needed depends on the concrete. The concrete kind of tells me what pressure is needed, but I'm going to do a time lapse. And when you're ready to have your driveway cleaned, and if you want it sealed after that, we do sealing of concrete and aggregate, things like that, make it look shiny, pretty, protect it from water intrusion and freezing and cracking. That's a very popular service, but this is just talks about a driveway cleaning. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washer. Join me.